Hi, folks. It's been 30 days, 18 months, and 6 years since we done seen y'all. But we came back, all right? First off, let me say Happy Father's Day. All them daddies out there, everybody that have a daddy, lost their daddy, missed their daddy, all the daddies, all right? Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Me and Chef Kelly, we want to do something easy today because it's Father's Day and we're going to do something easy. Simple. Chef Kelly, tell them what we're making.
Mini hot dogs and beans and golden waffle fries.
Hot dog. What do you call them thing? Peas in a blanket? Yeah. Peas in a blanket. Yeah. Peas in a blanket. Pigs. The blanket. Peas in a blanket. And we whatever. Anyway, what we're doing here is pigs in a blanket, baked beans, and fries. I wanted to do homemade fries, but somebody didn't want to do that. So, are you not cooking today, ma'am? Chef Kayla is shy people.
No,
But it's all right.
it's done.
Oh, from breakfast?
No,
From what?
I guess
You need some pepper?
Huh?
You want some pepper?
Who?
Some pepper.
Who?
Pepper bismuth. We got pepper bismuth down there. You need that? I'll give you some pepper bismuth. And we're going to get it rolling, all right? So, while I get your pepper bismuth, we're going to put some fries here on this thing here. And we're going to get this show rolling, all right? I'll be right back, folks. Get her some pepper bismuth. I'll tell you what, for once, it's not hotter than the dickens in here.
It's super cold.
It's super cold. I'd rather it be super cold than super hot. Which one do you prefer? Super hot?
Oh no. Cold.
Chef Kayla took me to breakfast today, and apparently, Chef Kayla ate too much. So she needs some pepper bismuth. Get her stomach feeling a little bit better. I won't eat all them fries there, girlie. Good gracious, kush gosh almighty. It's just me and you. All right, you gonna put them there in that oven there? Thank you. Kylie, please be careful, cause that sucker dude is hot, all right? Now, like I said earlier, we're doing baked beans, French fries, and peas in a blanket, all right? Now, what we do here on the Right Cooking Show is, with our baked beans, we put a little bit of milk in there, all right? Now, we use almond milk here. Okay? We do healthy in the house. Chef Kayla, please, dear, put a little bit of that milk in there, please. Just a little bit, not a whole lot of bit, all right? Just a little bit, not a whole lot of bit.
I never heard of milk in beans.
Well, I'm teaching you what way? The right way. You're a good guy, dog. That's all we do here. A little bit more, please. A little bit. A little bit. You scared to do that there, girl? That's all right. All right. Now, you want to get a little spoon out of there? And stir it. Other one. The other one. Other drawer. Now, this is an easy meal. And, yeah, anybody can do this here. All right. So, what we doing? Just a little bit of cooking here. All right. We want y'all to see how we get down with the get down. All right. So, we like to eat around here. I'm sure everybody love to eat, but we like to eat. You want to taste to see it, but make sure it's up to your standards. It's just baked beans. Go on, take your Pepto-Bismol. Take your Pepto-Bismol. You said you need it, Mary. So buy it. Chef Kayla thought she could eat 15 pieces of French toast and nothing was going to happen to her. I ain't want to say nothing, folks. I'm just the daddy. I'm just the daddy. So, this pretty much, you're just heating food up. Easy. It's raining outside. You don't want to do a little bit, whole lot of bit. Especially not on Father's Day, all right? So, we're going to get this here. Get these blankets out. Unravel that there. Peel it. If it don't go pop, let me know. Didn't go pop. Twist that sucker there. You got the muscles, girlie. Next time I'll let you.
When is next time?
Next time we do our cooking show, all right? Because you've been slacking. You've been slacking. You ain't been wanting to cook with your daddy. Where you going, girlie? Oh, you need water. Well, you need to come roll out your blankets here for your piggies. Pig? Huh? Yes. Yep. One blanket. Two blanket. Hot dog skit deadly! If your name ain't Chef Billy Bob right, you ain't doing it right, all right? So, we're just going to take a couple of these wieners here, put a little slices in, that way let them cook all the way through in that oven there. So now all I need you to do here is, oh, excuse me. She's gonna make me fall all over top of her. Hold on one second, dear girl. Let me put these slices in this There's here, hot dog is here. All right. Spickle, spackle, spickle, spackle. Now just roll that thing there. You see how that blanket's covering that piggy? Boom. That's all you do right there. All right, that's all we do here, okay? That's it. Spickle, spackle, spackle, spickle. You got one, I got one, you got one, I got one. Roll it that way. This is Father's Day edition, easy meal here, all right? Father's Day, when you don't feel like cooking, don't cook. Make it easy. Lemon squeeze it. Cause see, we ain't come here to work hard today. This is Daddy's day, all right? This is Daddy's day. And Daddy need to relax. So, y'all see my baby? Look at her right there. I did that there. You see that? I got skills that you ain't never. You say what? I did this. I did this, right? Hot dog skip that way. You not going. That's okay. It's all right. One day I might be able to do it. I might be able to do it. Just one day, okay? Just one. That's one. Boom. I ate piggy in a blanket in a long time. A long time. Well, see, this is just one day, okay? One day. Because we still got to get summer fine. And we ain't got time to keep eating piggies in the blankets every day, all right? So, Chef Kelly going to take the rest of these home with her. Because, yeah, I can't, All right. And the last one, roll it up. So y'all just coming on our show here. We just doing a little bit, not a whole lot of bit, all right? We don't really need no season, no spice, no none of that. It's just pigs in the blanket, hot dog, and bread pretty much. And we're just gonna throw them in the oven. Let them get a little brown. Let them get a little down. Got some baked beans here. And some french fries. So, let's see here. Now, what we could do here, you want to spice it up, throw a little spices on there. Make a little taste of it. Throw a little onion powder, a little garlic powder on there, just a little bit. Now a whole lot bit of spice, all right? Just a little bit of spice. Put a little bit on there, a little taste, all right? Just a little bit. Boom, bam, spackle, waffle. Boom, bam. All right? Hey, girl. There it is right there, all right? I like that there. You take a little bit of butter. We're going to take a little bit of butter. Look at that rain right there. Cook grace, cause gosh, oh my, if you ain't inside, you better get in there. You hear me? Cause that rain down on me. Let me stop here. Why you have to stop that? Y'all know nothing about that there. Put a little butter on there. Here. You're the chef in the making. I'm the chef, all right? Thank you. This is my day. I'm supposed to relax here. So, all right, we said here, pickles in a blanket, easy baked beans, and some french fries. We love to see y'all on the Rock Cooking Show. Just remember, baby, if you ain't cooking the right way,
I'm cooking the wrong way.
the wrong way, hot dogs get down there. All right, we see y'all later. All right?